Hello and welcome to part 3 of my unboxing. So part 1 I got the microphone, kindly sent to me from Rode. Part 2 I bought the PSA1 Boom Arm, which has been amazingly sturdy and has been able to position my microphone brilliantly. Now number 3, which is in here, is the shock mount, which is basically a cage that you mount the microphone in to stop any vibrations, because this is like a hollow bit of table. Any bangs or anything on this will travel up the arm and into here and get picked up by the microphone. So this shock mount will help reduce those amount of vibrations. So that's what I've got in the box. So here we have the PSM1 shock mount. Oh, I forgot, I also ordered some beard oil as well, that's for later. Right, so inside here we have a rather delicate looking cage. So what do we got here? There we go. So what this is basically a cage within a cage. This is where you attach the microphone, and these elastics here deaden the microphone in there. So you attach that to the boom arm, and the microphone sits in here as like a shock absorber. It feels really sturdy. This is all metal, and then the rubber bands hold the inner cage in place. Let's see if we can mount this one up. Unplug that. There we go. Now this we want to mount the microphone inside. So it's got a rubberized grip on it though. See if it's actually coming off. Maybe I just need to screw that in. There we go. Feel the thread. I want to be careful not to tear the threads. There we go. I'm just going to tighten that by hand first. So there, the microphone is held in this cage. So any vibrations that happen are basically being killed by these elastic bands. There we go. Right. Now to attach this to the boom arm. I imagine we'll have to take this off. We don't need this anymore now. I think we need that. And then this can mount directly in here. Slightly more awkward, making sure I'm trying to stay lined up with the threads. I can swivel that back a bit more. So I want maybe another turn. Make sure that's firm in there. Might do one more turn actually. I can feel it there against the end, so I'll just tighten up the back plate there. There we go, tighten that up there, and then plug the and back in. So there we go. Now we have the microphone protected from any shocks travelling up through the arm, and it's got its own isolation shock absorber there. So now I can position this ready for speaking. Tighten that up. There we go. So then I'm going to position that like that. There we go. So all in all, I'm really impressed with everything so far. Really solid design. This is all metal. The microphone is really heavy and solid. The shock mount, again, metal, really substantial. And then the boom arm itself, metal, and you can tell it can just hold it in any position and hold it. So it's designed for this exactly. I have no worries about that. Putting it in one place and then it'll just stay there. So all in all, I've been really impressed with the build quality of these, and the sound quality has been amazing too. So thank you, Rode. Thank you to all my subscribers who have helped out and contributed towards the boom arm. And so yeah, so thank you everyone, and I look forward to trying this out next time. So if you like these videos, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, all that jazz. It'll be awesome. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye.